On Friday, we saw profit booking in India market. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty gave a gap opening and hence profit booking was expected. And Bank Nifty has given a closing again above 200-day moving average. So, is it a reversal sign or a change in trend? From now on, will the price go up? Well, we will discuss all of these questions in detail. Hey guys, welcome to another video from Vega Stocks. In this video, we will try to predict how Bank Nifty may perform on Monday, 14th of June. But before we start, a disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes and we do not provide any recommendation or tips. In this channel, we analyze Bank Nifty's price action and prediction on a daily basis and upload educational videos over weekend. We also try to provide as much financial education as possible through our channel. So you just have to do one thing, like, share and subscribe to this channel. If you are a beginner, then make sure that you watch our video on a daily basis and make a slow and steady movement towards your financial freedom, which is the ultimate goal of all individuals in this world. Let's start today's video. As you can see the screen, this is a 5 minutes time frame of Bank Nifty and I usually trade using this time frame, but before entering I definitely toggle to see formation in 15 and 30 minutes time frame also. Today we will analyze weekly, daily and then move to 5 minutes chart. So watch this video till the end. Now let's move to weekly chart first. So this is the weekly chart. What we see here, first, Bank Nifty is still positive, though not as strong as Nifty. 35,000 levels is still acting as a strong support. And low of this week has crossed last week's low, but has still not crossed the low of last to last week, which is at 34,416. So try to understand, when Bank Nifty has given a movement from 34,416 to 35,791, that is almost 1300 points, you can expect some retracement. Now if we look at fourth green candle, then the actual movement which Bank Nifty has given is from 32,300 to 35,791. So almost 3,500 points. So it is obvious to expect some retracement. What Fibonacci retracement says? It says retracement of 23.6% or 38.2% or 50% or max to max 61.8% of retracement is okay and confirms continuation of a trade. So if we can see, the retracement is within 23.6% and the closing is above 35,000. Last week Bank Nifty was weak and had given a breakout below 35,000 levels, but finally closed above 35,000. So this is the only good news from weekly chart. But I can't deny that it cannot go below 35,000 levels again. Suppose we consider market is bullish, then also we can't deny that it can't go below 35,000 again, as Fibonacci retracement of 23.6% or 38.2% can still be tested before making a new high. So if you ask me, looking at this chart, it seems downside rally or sideways rally can continue till the time we don't see either 8-day or 20-day moving average touching the price or price coming down to touch these moving averages. So weekly doesn't look bullish, hence we can say bearish to moderate. Let's move to 1-day chart and see what 1-day chart has to say. First, again you can see why 35,000 levels is so important. In 1-day chart also, this level has been tested again and again and again. What next? Now if we draw this trend line, then there is still gap between the price and the trend line. So that means price can trade at this current level for some more time before giving a breakout to the upper side. Why not downside then? Because the price has not broken 34,416 as discussed earlier, and if we see last 3 days of candle, the low of all candles have formed above their previous day's lows. So we can expect upside closing next day or a sideways market, and because the closing is above 35,000 levels, we can expect a upside rally in short term. So one day chart suggests a moderate to upside movement. Now let's move to 5-minute charts and try to analyze how market will perform on Monday 14th of June. So this is the 5-minute chart of Bank Nifty. On Friday, price has again touched 34,900 levels but could not sustain. So first mark this level, which is 34,934. This is the level from where buyers have started to enter into the market. So if market opens flat and goes down, you can buy call at around 34,950 levels if price doesn't breaks 34,934. But if price breaks this level, then please don't buy put, because the target will be very small. The swing low is 34,800 and we should not enter such trade where target is less than 200 points. Okay, if Bank Nifty opens flat and price goes up, then you should buy call once price crosses 35,165 levels, as you can see the screen, and your stop loss should be 35,096, this high. Now if there is a big gap up opening above 35,165, then wait for the market to settle. If price doesn't break 35,096, you can buy call only if it is breaking opening price of Monday. So you can use 15-minute strategy in this case. If you don't know, then you can watch our previous video for this strategy. Now if there is a huge gap down opening and the opening is below 34,934, then also wait for some time and then avoid buying call, because price will face resistance at almost every levels, and yes, in this case you should surely buy put with 34,934 levels as stop loss. Hope we have analyzed all the possible scenarios for Monday. As always, I am still bullish in Bank Nifty and we might see a fast upside rally up to 36,000 levels. So prepare yourself accordingly. I hope you are aware that Nifty has already made a new high. However, Bank Nifty has still not crossed its previous high. Hence, this is also a reason why I am expecting a fast upside movement. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Share this video to your family, friends and colleagues so that they also get benefited. Thank you for your support. Keep learning and happy trading.